Good evening, everyone here, and I hope you are doing well. So this is the last day of our workshop or our training. I guess today we talk about the brainstorming and how Schobot can help you uh, to get a new idea from your result. So the Schobot that does not mean Schobot can generate new idea, but you can generate new idea by reading the result that is extracted by Schobot after you reading, and then you can see this result is relevant to your topic or not. You are satisfied with this result or not satisfied with this result. But if the result is directly related to your topic, okay. If not, also you can get benefit from this result by reading this result, and also you can get new idea to do a future research or just to get like new topic for future research from this uh, result. So like in the brainstorming, so there are two types. So like you can do brainstorming individually, that means by yourself. So based on your result, or you can do the brainstorming in a group. So when you're working in a collaboration team, working in a collaboration topic, so this you will get result from this topic. And today, like just because you in the last 2 days you did a research, like you writing a research plan, and you enter this research plan into Schobot, and then you download resources by different language. You upload it also into Schobot based on the research plan, and you get a result. So this is the individual research, and you can do a brainstorming for your result. And then the second one, so when we are working in a collaboration, and then we need to get a new idea. So we can select a topic. We can, anyone here just to put a topic or to suggest a new topic. And then we can select one of these topics and we search about it in a Google Scholar or any database. And then if you find like a recent paper, so recently published related to the topic that's suggested by participants, and this research paper we can reproduce. So this research within a scope. So we can write a research plan, so from the paper already published, and then we
السلام عليكم
enter
دكتور
this.
عماد.
Hello, Dr. Muhammad.
آه، من المجموعة لم تكتمل 10، فأعتقد إن إحنا يعني خسارة الوقت بتاع حضرتك وبتاع الدكتورة كلثوم. كمان حضرتك حضرت كتير لهذا الأمر، والدكتورة كلثوم حضرت من امبارح والنهاردة. فأعتقد الناس اللي موجودة يروحوا المجموعة العلمية التانية، سواء هندسية أو علمية صيدلية أفضل. ولا ما رأيك يا دكتورة كلثوم أنت ودكتورة عماد؟ أنا ما حضر إلا 5 معكم، فالوقت بتاعكم ما
I
رأيكم؟
think now is yes, 10.
ها؟
I think now there are six participants. So I think we can work only 1 hour just to discuss about this one because maybe some of them they are interested to do by English, not like other language. I don't know how, but now it's 11. So like there's new participants join now. Some of them they join and leave. I don't know based on the internet issue or other reasons. But we can work like only 1 hour with them, and then we tell them how they can do brainstorming individually or in a collaboration group, and then we will close the session. But as we
طيب
already
خلاص ماشي زي ما انتم شايفين.
yeah,
المهم سجل الموضوع.
yeah,
سلام عليكم.
the record. Okay, so let us continue that. As I said, we can do a collaboration. So like a collaboration research. So let me share the screen. If we do a collaboration research, so like we are looking, and then we suggest this new topic. So this is a topic, like this is the topic, like we suggest this is the recent topic, and we need to reproduce this topic within a Schobot. So we are using a Schobot, and then we need to reproduce this topic. So we will not publish it, but we need to get a new idea. So by making brainstorming on the result, and then we convert we compare the result get by Schobot and the result already published, and then that's from the additional results we can get new idea, like other future research already suggested by the authors, but also other collaboration group. We can read the results, and then from these results we can get a new gap or new knowledge gap, and based on this gap we can propose a new idea for research, new topics. We discuss about this topic, and then we can work with this topic to publish new paper to cover this gap. So within a Schobot, if we need to reproduce, so what we can do, and then we select this topic, like a review of the role of artificial intelligence in healthcare. So this is a topic, and this paper is already published. So the first thing we need to get a plan. So we can rewrite this research plan from this paper. We can use the title as it is, and then we use the keyword. So different keywords. So we can select all the keywords here mentioned in the paper. We write this keyword, and then we write all the topic, like the main topic from the introduction, and then all the definition there. We can extract all the definitions, and then we use the main topic and subtopics from this paper. So we rewrite all this plan from, we write a plan from this paper. Yes, we extract the main topic and subtopic of the paper as it is from this paper, because this is the plan. And then let me show you this one. So like this is the keyword. So this keyword is extract from this paper as it is, like as this keyword is mentioned in the paper. And then, so this is the main topic, like from the introduction, definitions, and importance of the AI modern healthcare. All this is the main topic and the subtopic from the paper as it is, without changing. So we will not change anything from this plan. We use the same plan, and then we enter this plan in Schobot. So the second step, you will ask me like from where we can get the resources if we need to reproduce this one. And I will tell you that we will download all the reference that's already in the list. So like we will come in the last paper, we'll see the reference. So we'll download all these resources, all these reference we will download as PDF, and then we upload this reference or these resources into a scope. So that means we write the same plan, the same research plan of this paper into Schobot, and then we download all the resources within this paper, and then we upload these resources in Schobot, and then we get results. So the results we get from the Schobot surely will be more than published within this paper. It will be a huge result. And then from that result, we read the results, and then we see like if there's a gap, new gap or not. Also in I share the file. So firstly, let me share the WhatsApp group. Please join the WhatsApp group, and then I will share the PDF file. So this PDF file, this is the result. So when we enter the same plan for this paper, and we download all the resources listed in this paper, and we already uploaded in the Schobot, and then we get the result. So now I will share some results, like the first 20 page from the result. And you will read this one, and you will read only this result. And before we read this one, we can I will tell you like some idea how to make brainstorming when you get a result. Like this is the result, and I will already share it in the chat book. Please download this PDF file. So this PDF file, this is the result. The first 20 page uh, from is get from the Schobot. Like it contain the definitions. So the definition and the scope of AI. So we all just we need to read this topic, and we will read all the results. All the results get it by Schobot, like regarding to this topic, and then we see if this result, like if this paragraph, is it relevant to this topic or not. Like when we talk about the definition and the scope, maybe just you will tell me like this paragraph does not contain the definition. Yeah, I will tell you yes, this is not contain the definition, but this paragraph also talk about the general scope of AI in healthcare. But if you come to second paragraph, you will find the definition here. There are several applications of AI, and then we should read all this paragraph, and I will give a time for this. Please download this one. So like, do you download the file from the chat box or not yet? Hello. Okay, that is only Mustafa they mentioned you already download the file. So what about the others? Also you downloaded this file or not yet? If you download the file and then you go next step. So the next step, how we can do the brainstorming. And then I will give you some questions and some guidelines. So you should follow that one uh, to make a brainstorming for any result. So that is based on your own result or when you're working in collaboration. Okay, so here also said yes, should download that one. Okay, so, what about others? So now we are many, like we are almost 11. So I hope that all of us will download the file, and then the next step I will share the steps. So how we can do the research, the brainstorming for our results when we are working in a group or based on our individual research. I hope that all of you download this file. So please, well, I guess I will tell you some guidelines. So some guidelines about how to make a brainstorming about this result. So like I shared with the PDF file, if you download this PDF file, so please carefully listen to this step because I will give you time to read and then to make some brainstorming. And then if you find any gap, and then just you can tell like this is the gap is not covered yet by this result. And I will propose this topic to be done by other researchers, or I can do this research in the future and then to cover this gap. And then you can tell us how you can implement this research. So this is the question. So the questions about the relevance of the result to topic. If this result, is it relevant to your topic or not? Or to the topic, like definitions and scope of AI in healthcare. The first question, how does AI related to enhancing healthcare quality in presenting results? So that this one, it is related and AI also related to enhancing healthcare presented in this result or not. And then that this result address all aspects of AI used in healthcare, such as like if we talk about the diagnosis, talk about the treatments, talk about the management, and if not, what is the missing? So the missing, this is the gap. And after that, just you can ask yourself like, so to what extent this result, like focusing on improving the skills and the competence for healthcare worker for using AI. This result also provide enough explanation of AI like benefit in the term of cost, because like somebody like to talk about the cost, quality, or also speed of AI. Like how could this aspect be enhancing if it is not yet covered? What is the main challenge also identify in the result regarding to using AI in healthcare? So this is the questions when you read the paragraph, and then just you will see, you will ask yourself, is this result is cover the topic or not? If it is not covered, and then just you will tell us what is the missing. So the missing, this is a gap, and then we can propose some new idea for future working. So there are some questions how you can identify the gap or the research gap from the result. Because some paragraph talk about the challenge. That means if I ask myself like what is the challenge or area that not clearly covered in the result. So regarding to AI, what integration the AI in the health care. And then also if we talk about the specific like medical field, so where AI application will not discuss. If there is some gap where some field AI is not discussed within the healthcare, also yes, that is how could this gap to be addressed in the future. And also just how can environmental sustainability like of AI in healthcare be improved? And what was this topic research enough or not yet? Also just you can tell us like if there's any gap related to human like interactions with AI, like if we talk about the social acceptance or ethics regarding to using an AI in healthcare. And finally, like you would ask yourself, like, did results cover the privacy? So when we talk about the privacy and data security, when we're using AI, it is also is covered or not? What the research also could explore this aspect more deeply if we are reading this one. So while we are reading the paragraph, just let us think about this question. And finally, if we need to propose, that means propose new research topic. And then finally, we need to propose what is the potential research topic that could cover unexplored area in the result. So if you say there the gap, there the missing area is not covered yet. So what is the potential research topic that can be proposed to solve this problem or to cover this research gap? And also like how just can new training program be developed? If we are talking about the healthcare, like people working in healthcare, and then there's the new AI tools coming. So just how we can propose new training program just for develop for improving skills that need on how to using AI in healthcare. And finally, just you can propose any topic, and then also what the type of data is needed also to assess the long-term impact of AI. So long-term, so now we are using AI, but we don't know like what is the long-term impact. Even we are using AI in diagnosis, quality, or patient outcomes. So like this is a few questions just to help you when we are reading uh, this result. Just think about this. And then just we need to think about it is relevant. Okay, said okay, it's relevant. I discovered this one, and then there the missing uh, gap that some areas not covered yet. And then you can propose one or two topics to be done to cover this gap in the future. Okay, so just let us did like by the first paragraph. So yes, we can read paragraph by paragraph, and then we go further, like, just to be easy for us. We can complete this one. Okay, just if we read this first paragraph, this just let us read this first paragraph seriously, and then we go to the next paragraph and second, third, same paragraph. Just read this one. I will give you like 2 minutes or 5 minutes. So read within the 5 minutes because also they are translating this paragraph into Arabic. So you can read the Arabic paragraph or the English paragraph as you need just to understand this paragraph, what they talk about it. And there are a lot of discuss about this paragraph firstly. And then we see if it is relevant topic or not, and what is the area covered by this paragraph, and what is not covered, and what is the proposed topic to be done just to cover the gap within the first paragraph. And then we can move to our next paragraph. So today's discuss topic. Today, like I need you to open your mic because this is discuss topic. Like it's not a lecture. I will not telling you like what you are doing, that, but I need you to read, open your mic, and then discuss. So and then tell us uh, what you learned from this paragraph. Okay, all of us we can think about it. Okay, Suhail.
This the skills and competence required by the healthcare provides are anticipated to alter as a result of the introduction of various new uh, tech- technologies. In some cases, AI may be able to perform tasks that humans previously performed. Furthermore, as AI progresses in healthcare, new skills sets such as informatics may become more in demand to satisfy. Just here?
Yeah, just until demand, like but becoming more demand. So like let us discuss about the so like what is the first thing? So when you read this paragraph, like there's some idea like come to your mind with like when you read this paragraph. So this paragraph we need to tell like just so to extract the main point. So this paragraph firstly it talk about the changing skill. So within the healthcare there are some skills changing. So when introduce new technology. So is this paragraph is relevant to topic? Is relevant like is related to our topic, like when we talk about the definition and scope. Ever not relevant to definitions, but it's relevant to the scope of AI in healthcare or not. So let us finish this one and then we go further. I need like all of you just to open your mic and then interact. So like don't keep silent because this is not a lecture. This is only group discussion. We need to discuss like this. Yes, we need to know how you think about this paragraph when you read it. What is the main idea from this paragraph? and if they the research gap or not. Hello. Yes, ahead. Yes, let us talk.
AI, they
Mm.
replaces the human
Mm.
from where
Mm.
then can be do many things which can the human do it for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me if we tell about this one. So what is about the others? Mustafa and then Zainab, Dr. Hajar, Munira, Khalid, Nasreen. So like what let's say when you read this paragraph, like what you can extract from this paragraph? Just like this do a brainstorming, like think about this paragraph. Or tell me like this paragraph you talk about one, two, three, four. Like you talk about what? Talk about the changing, talk about AI introduced, the performance, uh and the second one like talk about what? Like the first one. Just let us finish from this first one and then we can go further with the next one. Yes, I'm waiting.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm just coming back from prayer. Salat al-Maghrib.
Yeah, yeah.
So I what I want to share with you as my understanding
Yeah.
regarding the discussion, the paragraph. Let me open the paragraph. I'm sorry. The skills and the competence required by the healthcare provider are anticipated to alter as a result of the introduction of various new technologies. In some cases, AI may be able to perform tasks that humans previously performed. Furthermore, as AI progress in healthcare, new skill sets such as informatics may become more in demand. So based on this, what I understand, we can employ the use of AI in healthcare services to perform so many tasks that the tasks that have been performed manually before the coming of AI.
Yeah.
And so many changes may be applied in healthcare services, such as using robot in operations, such as using robot in examining the in diagnosis and so many areas. So the AI is very important nowadays in healthcare services.
Yeah.
So, and it is related actually to the Schobot, since the Schobot, the main and demand of this Schobot is using the artificial intelligence. So the topic is related.
Yeah, I feel like what I mean by the relative the results or not. So when I put the plan in the scoreboard, that means this is a plan. Like what I talk about the definition, like definition and a scope of AI in healthcare. If this is the first paragraph is related to this topic, definition and the scope of AI in healthcare, and not in the scoreboard, because the scoreboard is only a report just for reading and coding, extracting some result based on your plan. But when you get the result, so this result is relevant to topic that you are writing on the scoreboard, because based on your prompt, like when I put the prompt, I put definition and scope, and then I get result from the resources that I've got it into a scope. So this result is relevant to the topic. Yes, okay, it's relevant to the topics. Some of them they can ask me because this is not talk about the definitions. But if it is not talk about the definition, maybe definition is coming in a case or say paragraph. You can find the definition there. But this first paragraph is related to the scope. Like it can talk about the scope, general scope of AI in healthcare. That means when you talk about the skills that's required in healthcare, and this also because the AI they can provide this one, and then AI can do many jobs or many jobs, so many performances can do by human. AI now can do it, and that is why I guess we need to develop a more training program for the humans already work in healthcare. That means we need to train them on the new skills or how to using the AI tools to be a helper other than replace them in the future. So within this scope, so that's you are talking about the different AI tools can do. This is the good idea. And just you think there's some gap is not covered, but this paragraph is related to AI. So what AI can do within the healthcare. Mustafa? Hello, Mustafa. You are
Hello, sir, my
disappeared.
network is on.
Uh-huh. So
Hello?
like yeah, I'm talking to you like so as you mentioned that from this paragraph or this results, you already talk about the potential. So potential challenge or the skills that require for healthcare worker.
Yes.
And also because with the AI development, like especially in informatics or data management, so that AI can help them. But also there, this paragraph or some study also highlighted the importance of the familiarizing worker with this technology, just to maximize the benefit of modern AI applications. So when you read this paragraph, so like you discover some gap or there are some study or some areas not covered. So when we talk about the sustainable training,
Actually, I can see the paragraph covers the area we're talking about. I lost some of your presentation. That is why I didn't get you very well.
not like
Because I
just
went to
when we talk
log-
about this paragraph. So
Hmm.
when we talk about the skills, so this paragraph is talk about the skills and the competence required. So that means there are
Yes.
some healthcare worker. That means they need to learn some new skills using this AI instead of to replace them. If they don't get like or just to train themselves like for the new tools and new skills to be with now and how to use this AI to be helped by other than replace them. That is in this paragraph because they said furthermore, as AI progresses in healthcare, that means new skill sets such as the informatics. So informatics, that means AI can do this one easily. And this also they become like more in demand. If other healthcare worker in the field of health, or some people working in health, so like healthcare. So there are some skills needed if they need to be sustained working in a healthcare within the new era of AI. So what is the gap if we need like to sustainable training? Just so what we can do for the healthcare worker to be sustained in their work other than replace them by AI. Oops. Because there are some skills may be changing, also change it maybe this change. Because to alter, so that as a result of introducing various new technology, there are some skills it will be changing. So just how we can maintain the worker in healthcare, what we can do. Does, as you see, like this is a gap or not a gap? So like, is there anyone also to read this paragraph? Most of it already left. So Suhair, Zainab, Nasreen, and Dr. Munira.
AI may provide humans by new technologies and new ways to use it in the healthcare. I mean, when he gives him a new result and many results in the few time, they can use it. I want to say IA is give him many results in few time. This helps human which works in healthcare to prove and develop the technologies and face the new problems and some cases by high by the many new ideas and develop systems to face the new cases or new problems which he can face it him in the another time or the يعني later. I want to say later.
Okay. Okay, I think this paragraph, if you are agree with me, like this paragraph we talk about maybe they mentioned two gap. So there the gap because there are some skills is already changed within the new era, like when we talk about the AI, like just within the development of AI, and then the first gap, how we can maintain the training program, like just to cover this gap. As this skills is changing, that means always we need to build a new or to develop a new programs to cover this gap. That means to train the health worker to be a good, and then how they can interact with AI. But that means we need some study to assess if it is current training program, it is sufficient uh, just to develop the necessary skills for health worker, or when we talk about the interactions of human worker or just health worker with AI tool. So is still there the need to understand how the worker interact with his AI and how it use it, and then just to finally just we need to avoid the risk of entirely replacing the role. Other new AI technologies producing that will easily, if they don't train themselves well, they can replace them. Because now, if you are using SPSS just to analyze data, so there's the new AI tools can also analyze the data with one click. So like, so why I don't, while I need like 100 people to work in one place, either one machine can do all this work in the same time. So yes, I need only one person who know how to use this machine and interact with it, with this machine, and how to use it properly. That is enough. One or two people, and that is mean there many people can replace it if they don't train. So I think we need to develop training program for the health worker, like to be updated and to be well known about how to use this AI, and the AI to be held by other than replace them in the future. So yes, you agree with me with this two gap when you're reading this paragraph or not? Okay, Nasrin, Dr. Munira, I don't know, like, just if you hear me, but there are some of them they left. I don't know the reasons, maybe the internet or other reasons, I don't know. But if there is not more people, just we can discuss only this paragraph and then I can finish this. We finish this session. So okay, just as we mentioned, this is the two cup, and also you read this one, you mentioned that one, by the way. And then if we need to suggest like a new research topic just to cover this cup. So what is the potential research topic can be done for this one? Because we have to, like we have training program gap, sustainable training program, and then we have also human technology interactions gap. So this is two gap. So think about this one. What is the potential research topic that research can do just to cover this gap? I need only two topics regarding to sustainable training program and to human technology interactions. So I need only two topics. One topic for training, how we can develop the new training program to fulfill this gap, and then how also how we can assess the impact of human technology interactions, even for on the quality of health. So like you can suggest one program. So what we can do to cover this one? Hello, Dr. Munira and Dr. Nasrin. So you can hear me? And then if you hear me, just please open your mic and then interact with us. Because this is a discussion session, is not like a lecture. I will not give you a lecture with this day. Only we discuss about this topic and then we know like how to make a brainstorm on our result. If it is the individual result or working in a collaboration research topic. Because this is the best training program, like just learn how to do it fastly and then to get the main idea. And then from the main idea, you can discover the gap. If you know the gap, you can propose a new idea. I hope you can interact with us. Hello. Hello.
We here, doctor.
Yeah, but the other, I don't know, like the other participants leaving or not. Some of them, they can join the Zoom, but this is also is not a perfect way. So I don't need to tell people just to open their camera, just to be like stand in front of the computer or the phone there, because this is the friendly discussion or friendly training program. That means like we don't need to encourage like some participant to open the camera to be there. But as I need from you, like just if you hear me, just open your mic and then we can interact, and then we finish this first paragraph. And if there's no other participants, so just we can finish the session here, and then you can read the paragraph based on your time. It is like the main idea, and then from that main idea, if you know any research gap, you can propose new topic or like new idea to be a future research. Even if you are just you can work with this idea by yourself, or you can work with this idea in a collaborations, research with other participants to be a co-author with you. Mustafa, what has happened?
I'm sorry, sir, my network is bad. I
Yeah,
can hear you clearly.
I see. So like it's still we discuss in the same paragraph. Like so yes, I tell them like we can let's we discover new like Mustafa also left. Maybe the internet is not good. Here, do you have any idea also about this one? You see like this the training, the sustainable training is the gap, and human also technology interact, like interacting the human with technology, with AI. Also still there the gap or not? If this is a gap, so what is the topic we can propose to cover this gap? Hello, Zuhair. Dr. Zuhair. Hello.
Here, doctor.
So I guess you have no idea. You have any idea about this topic? We can what topic can propose that we can propose to cover this gap? So in a training program, so what we can do like this, let the human worker or the human that work in healthcare or the healthcare worker to be sustained and just and not replace their place with AI. What is the new training program?
We can say AI or how to develop AI, the healthcare. You can say that.
I think if we need to talk about this, I want to talk about the evaluation. So we already have healthcare worker, but health worker program, training program is already they have training program. But if this training program is sufficient, like just let them to be sustained through technology or this in the era of AI, that means they have training program, but we need to evaluate this training program for AI use. Like if this training program is sufficient, or they need to develop this training program, and then the health worker be sustained like within the new technology. That means they need to analyze so the sustainability and the effectiveness of the current training program, and that means just to meet the practical need for the health worker with AI or within the AI program. That means, and this study we can do it by the simple that we make a survey, this of health worker, and then we can collect some data. Just we ask them about the training program. Is the enough for them or not? Is there a gap they need to be filled by training program, or which area they propose for new training program? Also, like when we talk about the impact of human technology, or the interactions of human technology with AI, when we talk about the quality of health care, that the new technology or the appears, and also human worker or the healthcare worker is still there, but the interaction of them, like how the impact of this technology and on the healthcare. When the like when the health worker use AI, it make healthcare or the quality of healthcare to be a good or not? Or even when using AI in diagnostic or something, or the diagnosis using AI in healthcare to diagnose some disease.
I think there is some positive results and some negative results when human use AI in developing the technologies and uses in healthcare. I said that before. Use it to facing the new cases. This is a positive way. But when use it to replace the human worker, that is a negative side. That means there is a negative and positive result from using AI.
Yes, this may be negative. But if we need to avoid the negative impact, that means the negative impact on the health worker, if we need to avoid this one, that means we need to review the current training program, and then we can develop a new training program to meet the need of the health worker to be sustained within the AI development. So because the AI is always developed, every time there's a new AI tools coming, or their reports coming, so they can do lots of work that's already like they did this work by the human, but there is some AI can do it, can do that one easily. So like when we come to analyze the data, so like because the healthcare data, there are many data, huge data. If we need to analyze this one, and then we get like the partial result, and based on this result, we can make a decision. That means some AI can do that one, but AI cannot work alone. That means they need people to interact with them. They need people to be well known how to use AI effectively. Okay, like I think we finished from the first paragraph, but other participants also is not that active, and some of them they left based on the maybe internet issue. And I will say like we spend almost like 1.5 hours. This is enough, and I hope that is clear. And then just like how to do the brainstorming on your individual research, and when you are working in a collaboration research. So the firstly, when you read the paragraph, you are able to just to get the main idea from the paragraph, and then like what is the gap not covered by this result, and also you are able to suggest or propose a new idea to cover the gap that you mentioned when you read. And also, like in the first lecture, I give many questions. So this question you can use it also, like when you need to do a training, when you need to do a brainstorming. There are some questions. I give you some questions just to compare the result. If it is that is relevant to topic, you're already looking for it or looking answer for this topic. If it's relevant, not if it is relevant, what is the idea also covered by this result? What is the idea covered? That means this is the research gap. And from this research gap, you can propose a new topic or a new idea for other research that you can work with it in the future. Research to cover this gap. And I hope this step is clear. Maybe just I can share that one. The questions already get in the first lectures. Like this, if I share this one, because this is a question I already talk about it. That means there are some questions just when you read the result, when you're using Schobot and then you get the results, you need to ask yourself, are you satisfied with the results? If not, that means you need to revise your research plan. That means your research plan is not clear enough or is not detailed. That means you need to write a detailed research plan to get more results as you like. And then you ask yourself, it is relevant. If it's relevant or not, it is address your topic or not. And then you can ask yourself just how to get research gap or how to identify research gap when you read a paragraph. Yes, you can see, because this is a question is only for the today, because it's only looking for the how we can read the result regarding to AI and healthcare, and then how we can identify the research gap. And also I said some research question for proposing new topic. So when you read, and then you need to propose a potential research topic to cover unexplored area in the result that you cover when you read the result. And I hope this also is clear. And then from this one, so until now, almost like 1.5 hours we spent there. Thank you also here for your interactions, and also Mustafa for his interaction also with the topic when he read the paragraph. But there are some of them also join only. I don't know, but there are some of them staying there without interaction. I don't know, they don't understand the paragraph itself when they read the paragraph, or they don't know how to extract the main idea or how to cover the research gap and how to propose new idea. Because this is skills you should learn about this one. So this is training to tell you or to let you know how to do this. This brainstorming based on your individual result and based on the collaboration research result. So there is a link for the WhatsApp group, please. But if you join us today, please join this WhatsApp group, and then we will share any new idea about brainstorming and how to do it, research questions and the results we discussed about today. I will share it in this group. Like this is the main group of the scholarship, and then I will share this research questions, the guidelines for the brainstorming, and the ID and the result from the research. So by this, unfortunately, yes, I will end this session here today, and then I hope I can see you in the next or an advanced training program in the upcoming days, when we were just in the future days and the future, in the next month. We also just have more advanced training on how to make a brainstorming. So that is a training program itself. Maybe training program it would be like 3 days or 4 days only only just regarding to brainstorming, just how to read, the research paper. We have training program, how to read the research paper effectively, and how to get the main idea from the research paper. When you download the research paper or download thesis, how to read this source or reference effectively and in a few minutes in a fast way. And then you get new idea that you need it from the research paper. And from that one, how to discover the gap and how to propose new idea for your future research. And I hope to see you there. And that's a training program. It will be a intensive training program for people who are willing to join for the training program and need to develop their career in this field. So this is the most important training program for all researchers who need to develop their skills in this time and to be a good researcher when you're reading something. When sorry, lecture like this is the lecture is already started for 1.5 hours, and we are waiting like the participants to join us. And we are starting the lecture, I think 8:21 or 8:25. And then we start talking about this one like slowly. We give many idea about what is the brainstorming and how to make a brainstorming. And like we're talking about the research collaboration, and we share the results. And some of the participants they read the results, and we did the brainstorming on some paragraph, and then we discovered the research gap, and we propose also a new training or just new research topic for the future. So like you are joined here. So like yesterday you are joined to us in a science group in English. Naja, hello. Hello, Naja. So like you are doing for the English session. Not like we're using all the English just for clarifying something. So for this lecture is brainstorming, but there are some group who are still working in they're using Arabic in a different group, science and arts group. I think some of the group they using French language also. So like you have any questions? If you have a questions, just you can ask me. Just open your mic and then start talking. Let us interact and then just tell us your idea and we can discuss it before we end this session. Because unfortunately, I'm going to end this session because there is no more participants. And the last people who joined, so independent, no independent variable, who is independent variable, and then Dr. Aswan and Shol Khairi, Naja. If you are hearing me, just open your mic and let us know something about you. And then if you have any question, just you can ask. If you have a question about the today, what we are doing, we'll let what we already done for today, and then I can give you a brief about it. Just open your mic. Hello. So this is a discussion topic. It's not like a lecture. I will not give you a lecture. You already discussed about some topic. Okay, yes, if you don't have any questions, and if you need to open your mic to start talking, we can discuss. And if you need to know more about the brainstorming, I can tell you more, can give you a brief about what we've done already today. And if you don't have any questions, I will say goodbye, and then I will hope to see you in the next month or next few days for the advanced training program in brainstorming. If you are interested in this program, but we have different programs, even like the how to read research paper effectively. This is training program itself, and the next one like the brainstorming itself. This is the intensive training program for more than 3 days or 4 days continuously. Because we give money, we are working within the Schobot. We are doing money research. We discuss about this result within the 4 days. So intensive training program. If you need that one, just contact with Dr. Muhammad, and then he will propose this one maybe in upcoming months. This training program will be mentioned in the WhatsApp group and in Facebook also, or in the main website of the scope. And I hope to see you there. So thank you so much for today. Thank you for your time. Thank you, Zuhair. Thank you, Nasreen. Thank you, Dr. Aswan. And thank you also, Independent Variable. And I hope to see you there in upcoming days. So just you can leave the session to another session. If you need Arabic language, you can go to the arts. You can go to the another science group also using Arabic language or French language to join there to complete the lecture. But for me, I will end the session here as there's no one need to interact. So this is the interact session. So thank you for your time, and I hope to see you in the future. Goodbye. See you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.
The group is for group WhatsApp. For
No, the group WhatsApp. This is the general group. Like this is the main group of the scholarship.
okay.
Yeah, just join this group, and then you will find some idea of some file there. In that.
Okay. Thank you.
Hope to see
Thank
you
you.
then. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.